5. Hello everyone, back with you again today. In this video I wanted to do a review of a battery that I've recently purchased that is first one that I've used, and so far I've been very impressed with it. So let me flip the camera here real quick and I will show you what all we've got going on. Okay, so this is a DumFume LiFePO4 battery, one of the lithium-ion batteries. It's a 12.8 volt 100 amp, as you can see there. It gives you 1280 watt hours of runtime. Currently I've got a Victron smart battery monitor connected to the positive and negative, and then I use the Victron MPPT charge controller to charge this. But so far this has been a great battery. You know, some of the specs on it is it's group 30. This is a group 31 battery. It's got a 100 amp BMS or battery management system built in. It's rated for over 6,000 charge cycles. So it's been really great. I've used it. It stays charged. I'm able to monitor it with my two Victron products, and I can just see the voltage and amperage and everything through the app that Victron supplies. So it has been really good. Now the nice thing is that it just has these screw down posts. So I've just put a bunch of my positives and my negatives here. It does have a real nice carry strap. It weighs between 20 and 30 pounds, which if you've ever used, let me just show you by comparison, if you've ever used any of these AGM batteries, they must weigh like 50 pounds almost. I mean, it's just so much heavier than these new lithium batteries that it's just amazing what they're able to fit into these packages like this. So what I do with it a lot of times is I've actually got these set up with some large high amperage. These are 50 amp Anderson power pole power connectors, so I can just, it's hard to do this one-handed, I can just snap these together like that. And what I would normally just put because I'm running I think this is 10 gauge wire, which can handle about 50 amps. I'm able to just I run a 500 watt inverter, which runs at about 42 amps if I ran this to full power. So I'm able to run some thinner wiring with this just for just projects around, really for power outages. One of the videos I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to use this to show how you can run your furnace during a power outage if you have a gas furnace. So please stay tuned for that. But like I said, I really just wanted to come on and show this battery, and I highly recommend it. It's a really good lightweight battery that I've just used for all kinds of little projects here in the shop. You can put these in, these are not starting batteries, but you can use them in RVs as well. So my camper, it has the ability to automatically detect lithium batteries, and then I can switch out the AGM battery that's in my camper for something like that. The shipping on them is very easy. It came in a day or two max from Amazon. So with the winter weather coming in soon, it'd probably be a good purchase or insurance to have on hand to then wire up your own little inverter and basically save the money and not buy one of these big jackeries or anything. You can just make one yourself and use it for specific things like running your furnace, running your refrigerator, things like that. So again, as I say, I'll leave a link to this down in the description below. And if you found the video useful, just give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions about it. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a good day.